Learn synonyms for nice with examples. Acceptable. It is becoming more acceptable for women to drink alcohol. Agreeable. He was quite agreeable to accepting the plan. Alluring. The life in a big city is alluring for the young people. Amazing. Modern technology is amazing, isn't it? Amusing. Dad would occasionally break in with an amusing comment. Beautiful. Look through this window and you'll see a beautiful garden. Blissful. Meg was in a blissful dream lifted far above such common things as bread and butter. Captivating. The completely captivating moment when all worldly concerns evaporate. Charming. She's a very charming and very pretty girl. Cheerful. He felt bright and cheerful and full of energy. Cheery. A cheery new year hold lots of happiness for you. Comfortable. A comfortable working environment will increase productivity. Comforting. It's comforting to know that you'll be there. Commendable. Mr. Sparrow has acted with commendable speed. Congenial. He is back in more congenial company. Considerate. It was very considerate of you to send me a postcard. Courteous. He was a kind and courteous man. Delightful. It has been a most delightful evening. Divine. The congregation assisted at divine service. Enchanting. What an enchanting little girl. Engaging. Dewey is convivial, affable and engaging. Enjoyable. I always try to make my lessons enjoyable. Entertaining. He tried to make his speech more entertaining. Fascinating. He told some fascinating tales about his life in India. Fine. She abandoned law for the fine arts. Fun. Everything about the film was good. Good acting, good story, good fun. Glorious. They had 3 weeks of glorious sunshine. Good. A good name is easier lost than won. Gracious. She was a very gracious lady. Gratifying. It's gratifying to note that already much has been achieved. Great. Virtue is a jewel of great price. Happy. A happy heart makes a blooming visage. Heartwarming. The letters were generous and heartwarming. Jolly. She's a very jolly, upbeat sort of a person. Kind. Thank you all for your kind gifts. Lovely. She was delivered of a lovely girl. Magnificent. She looked magnificent in her wedding dress. Perfect. This suit is perfect for me. Pleasant. All my good wishes for a pleasant journey. Pleasing. He manifested a pleasing personality on stage. Pleasurable. The most pleasurable experience of the evening was the wonderful fireworks display. Splendid. Our house has got a splendid view across to the Cotswolds. Superb. They dished up a superb meal. Superior. This is clearly the work of a superior artist. Thoughtful. She's a very kind and thoughtful person. Thrilling. The children were captivated by his thrilling story. Wonderful. I love the spring, it's a wonderful time of the year.